starter kit leverages data on weather, markets, and logistics to improve the profitability and productivity of independent farmers around the world. The problem at hand is hunger. Almost 9% of the global population is suffering from hunger. So the United Nations have their Sustainable Development Goal to achieve zero hunger by 2030. To do that, we need regular access to safe, nutritious, and sufficient food for everyone. Much of the world's food is grown by small-scale independent farmers and then distributed through local community cooperatives. These cooperatives are a central point for things like quality control, deliveries, and getting the food to the right people. And they face some logistical challenges with that. And the goal with this data kit is to allow developers to build apps that help these cooperatives and the small-scale farmers to improve their productivity and profitability by leveraging some key data sets. So we have to keep in mind that the farmers themselves don't always have access to the technology and devices. So we're focusing on digitizing these cooperatives with a digital cooperative management system. The idea is to move them away from paper-based ledgers to be able to automate and analyze things digitally. And that will allow the co-ops to more easily buy and sell food, manage the crop yields, automate quality control, and knowledge share between the cooperatives.
Our solution allows farmers to capture their product yields with their cell phone cameras and feed that data into IBM Cloud Pak for Data AI and machine learning models via the Twilio and Telstra messaging API integrations. This will finally allow cooperatives to capture and analyze data from the product yields for their farmers and allow them to provide solutions and resources to maximize productivity and profitability. I would like to see developers take this idea of a digital cooperative management system and really push the limits of their imaginations to see what they can do to support local farmers and cooperatives who have limited access to technology. Remember, you are not your users. These farmers don't have access to smartphones and devices like we do. So how can we support them in innovative ways, working with the technologies they do have access to and use day to day? What are some creative ways co-ops can test product yields for quality? How are co-ops receiving and filling orders? How are these products being transported? How can you integrate public services data specific to each region? And how can we create a more simple and transparent system to answer all of these questions? You're about to embark on a journey to build something that has the potential to drastically change and improve people's quality of life, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.